I called out my racist friends. I'm an immigrant from Pakistan and still am not used to living here. I managed to make a few friends at school, and last night I invited them to a sleepover at my house. My family were really excited. My family includes my grandmother, who lives with us but cannot speak much English. She also wears traditional clothes and loves cooking traditional food. From the moment my friends arrived, I could tell they were laughing at her. When we sat down my friends only picked at it, and I heard them complaining about the smell. Then they asked if they could get pizza instead. My grandmother couldn't understand them, but I felt it was very disrespectful to her. I told them not to be rude and lied to my grandmother about what they said, but I could tell they were laughing at me too. I felt like me and my whole family were the butt of some big joke they didn't want to share with us. Later, I overheard them mocking my grandmother's silly costume and complaining that she smelled bad. I got really angry and told them to shut up. They laughed at me, saying it was just a joke, but I was at my limit. I didn't want them disrespecting my family and culture in my own home, so I kicked them out. It was the middle of the night, but they had a car. I didn't tell my family what happened, but they were upset that their guests left so suddenly. I don't have the heart to tell them why. I've tried contacting my friends, but they've blocked me. Maybe I deserve that for kicking them out in the middle of the night. I wasn't going to do nothing while they treated my family like dirt.